What's up, Longhairs? Great to see you. El Moreno here, and today we're gonna talk a little bit about our sideburns. Yeah, this is one that's easy to forget, especially if you wear your hair down all the time. Those pesky little wings flying out the side become real evident when you're getting ready to go to a fancy formal occasion or out with a hot lady, and you pull your hair back and the wings are just flying out. Just like that, they look awful. In the words of El Rubio, we don't want that and you don't want that. Exactly, none of us want that. Now, this isn't my first time covering this topic on this channel. Back in 2016, I dropped a pretty hilarious how to trim your sideburn video that actually went pretty big. The tips were there, but there was controversy. I got a little hot and loose with the clippers towards the end. I made a decision to completely change my identity, shave off my beard, and we got some hilarious comments on that post.
You go from guitar player to weird guy at the library. Title should be How to Make Yourself Look Like a Woman in Less Than 10 Minutes. How'd this happen? From a Viking god to a weirdo? You are so baked. You look so much better with the beard. Don't ever shave your beard again.
I promise you, I will not shave my beard in this one. But why not take a little refresher course, go back over some of the details and maybe some of the new tricks and tips that I've learned since I last published that video. Hey guys, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. We're always putting out great hair content. So why not go ahead and hit the little bell notification there. I know, everybody says it, but do it. Because you love it. So let's get into it.
All right, there it is, the pesky sideburns, the wings, looking sloppy as hell. First things first, guys, tie your hair back loosely and just make sure you really clearly identify what it is that you're going to cut. Anytime you're gonna cut your own hair, it's always great to have confidence in exactly what you're gonna cut off, and that's what I'm doing here. Tools you're gonna need for the job. I'm gonna use a buzzer, beard trimmer, whatever you wanna call it. It's got a number 3 guard on there, and you could do scissors if you like. I like the beard trimmer though, because it's less likely I'm gonna make a mistake, and it's a lot easier and faster than scissors. Okay, let's clearly identify where the long hair is and where the sideburns are. So look at that. This is like our goal line, if you will. Take your thumbs, grab your hair, and tie it as tight as you can to the sides of your head. This is going to really make sure that that line is defined and that you can easily distribute the sideburns away from the long hair. I mean, look at that line. It's easy to see. So now I fire up the trimmer and I let her rip. With the guard, you can have some confidence about going up above that line. Now also, take note and pay close attention to how I'm really pointing it upward, and I'm using more of the bottom of the trimmer, and the path I'm taking with it is going up above that line. That allows me to trim all the sideburns smoothly up to the line that we have identified. Again, let's switch to the other side and let's let her rip. There's the line, very clear. Make some final adjustments, make sure we got all the hair there, and go. Again, pay attention to that path. It goes up above the long hair. Oh, I might have snagged one there, but don't worry, it's all good. Tuck it back, you're good to go. And look, I'm still going up above that line, but what it does is it ensures I'm getting everything below it. And that's why the trimmer with the guard is so nice. Okay, now we're getting into hot water here. We're taking the guard off. Don't get too hot and loose. This is where I messed up last time, boys. But the guard's off so that we can get those little tiny flyaways, the ones behind the ears, just the little one stringers or whatever you got hanging out. You need to take the guard off to get those, and you barely even need to touch them. Watch this. Boom! Barely make contact, and that is just evaporated. So take it slow, be easy, take your time here with the no guard, and just make sure you get every single one of those little hairs out there. If you need to rub your finger from the back of your hair to the front to, you know, pull it all out, then do it and just get them all, because you want to look clean. You don't want one rogue, one or two loose hairs just flying out. Just a few seconds, good to go, and the beard is intact. We're dialed.
Well, that's it. What do you think? Obviously, production value is better than the last time we did this. If you want to go have a couple laughs, go watch that old video. The link's down in the description. And guys, hope your sideburns are looking sharp. I'm pretty happy with the results. They're feeling good. They're looking good. Now when I wear my hat too, and I tuck them back like this, I don't got the wings taking me off, flying me away. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Maybe it's a little bit too short, but look, I like to go a little bit shorter here because they grow back so dang fast and just less maintenance. The shorter you go, give yourself a little bit more time. Maybe it's not exactly how you want it to look the first week, but guarantee you week 2, it's gonna be stellar. So guys, appreciate you watching this video. As always, head on over to longhairs.us. Get yourself some of our world famous hair ties for guys. And hey, if you're not a guy, don't worry. Strong enough for a woman, pH balanced for a man. Thanks for just hanging out, man. Drop us a comment. Anything funny you got, we love to hear it. You can't hurt our feelings. All right, guys, till the next time, see ya.